Guys, if I tell you I couldn't get over this look, like look at this girl, guys. Yo.
I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. I can see the whole city from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what frat you was in, you can't out for me. Keep dreaming. Pineapple juice, I give a sweet semen. I know what they like, so I just keep cheesing. Hard drive full of heat seeking.
Guys, the original song that was played here, it was Ulindlela by the late Brenda Fassie. The artist is from South Africa, so I couldn't play the music. Hence, YouTube with copyright is a problem. So I had to use my non-copyright music to replace it. I wish you could hear the vibe that was there, guys, but I tried. Enjoy.
Are you ready? Yes, I am. They say you a superstar now, damn. I guess I am. You might be the man, well, that's unless I am. Okay, I'll confess I am. Go ahead and get undressed, I am. Okay. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment, you were there by my side. Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel whole. Whenever I'm lost, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I go my home. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic and we turn it back together. I'm your cousin, hold you for a night. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment, hold you for my hand. So tight, coming closer.
venue house because I got the early. So I got Hana. Oh, my precious, yeah! Rich Auntie! Come on! Oh, yeah, yeah. Guys, I'm going to end the video here. I'm with my aunt, my nephew, my mom, my sister, my friend, and my little nephew. Guys, I'm going to end the vlog here. I love you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love. Bye.
Guys, my family here was risking. They insisted that I drive myself to my home, and mind you, I was not wearing my spectacles. I didn't know where my spectacles were, and I didn't tell them. I just kept quiet. I was like, God, I know that we will arrive home safely, and thank God we did. I have drove, or should I say driven, without spectacles. Wow.
Yeah, guys, we are back. As you have seen the vlog, as you have seen the videos, Berusa, guys, Bona, not on the floor, on the Narusaga, guys, any graduations of woman, any graduations of woman, you guys, and as I'm talking, man, I'm going to show you the graduation pictures. Yes, guys. Labona hore ke montle jwang. Lebella ngwanyana. Oh, guys, look at the makeup. Yo, do you know how much I paid for this makeup, guys? Yo! Graduation. Guys, graduation, I went all out. Okay, guys. The lady who did my makeup, is Miss N Beauty. She calls herself Miss N Beauty. You can go and check her on TikTok. Hey guys, I'm not just a disclaimer, it's not sponsored. I'm not promoting for her, but I'm just sharing for you know, maybe you want to go and do your makeup for graduation or matric dance or anything. I'm just recommending her. She's the best, guys. Yo, the things that she put on my face, the fact that she knows that I'm a, because she will ask you about your skin, and then naka sweater. So she asked me, okay girl, because of what sweater, I'm going to use 122 on your makeup, on your face. And my makeup, guys, if I tell you, even the following day, if I was that person who sleeps with the makeup, if I slept with that makeup, I'm 100% sure makeup ola no tlo the way ne ke leng ka teng. But naga bana ke robala ka makeup ka la bona skin sa ka se glow bang a ke dlale yo ka fa tlhosa ka. I'm sorry I get dlale mo. So yeah, Miss N Beauty, and she charged me 900. It was 900 or 700, I'm not sure. Now between 700 and 900, that's what she charged me. And as for the hair, I went to Dragon City to buy the wig. I bought the bundles, and I found the ladies there who did the wig by installer, as you can see on this video that you're watching now. Oh no, guys, hey, the Dragon City, hey, guys, Rajivona, wait. So, I think on the week I only spend it like 700 for the bundles and for the girl to do the week. Week, yeah. I think she charged me 150. That's how much we paid for the week. But the quality, it's quality, guys. Yo, the quality is quality. Yeah, right. It's very good. If you're looking for a week, you can go to Dragon City. They're very affordable. They're very cheap. You'll find some ladies there. Even me, when I got there, yo, I was scared. I was like, yo, these ladies, they want to do what? When you got to hijack, when you got to, hey, can't I get a what the pack or giving you guys, listen to her. Those people, bonabao, yeah, you will correct me more comment section, bonabao. So yeah, and the suit that I was wearing, I bought it at my rubber start. Boo 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 boo. My rubber start at yellow sap shop. So yellow sap. What I did immediately when I got home, I washed that suit. It's a guys like yeah, I understand the Garagamara stay softy, and then I ironed it carefully. And the shoes, I got my shoes at Mr. Price, and I don't remember how much they weigh, but you know, Mr. Price shoes are very affordable. They go from 180 to 200 or 200 and something, and the 300 ones, it's rare to get them on that price, but mostly they range from 180 to 200, you know, or to something. I'm not sure, guys, I don't remember. The accessory, the necklace, and the earrings, I got them from Mr. Price as well. The vest, I got it from Mr. Price as well, because I was wearing the vest inside. What else? The gown, I had the gown at Gordon Harris. Ooh, I'm not sure, I'm just gonna put the name here. That's where the TUT recommended our students to hire the gown there. But the red belt, I bought it because of the red belt is for my first diploma qualification that I graduated for. So ish one style. But the second belt, I'm going to buy it once I afford. I'm going to buy it. It's so amazing to achieve a big thing in life, and then your friends and family come together united just to celebrate you guys. Yo guys, it's a nice feeling ever. I graduated, it was so nice. So 2025 has been amazing for me so far. Like, yo guys, give you November. I'm doing live updates. The way I'm so busy, like I couldn't do updates in October. I was just enjoying my birthday month. Like, it's been amazing. It's been amazing so far. Like, 2025 has brought me a very beautiful blessings. You know, guys, love God. Yo, what I can tell you is that love God first before you love everyone. Love God with this vlog. If you got this far, if you reached this far, thank you so much for reaching this far. Ke leboga thata. It means a lot to me that yo, how are you? You're number one supporter, you know. It means a lot to me, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, I'm happy, guys, that you are part of my life journey. I'm hoping that I'm inspiring other people that it doesn't matter where you are, it doesn't matter what you do in life, it doesn't matter how you look, you know. It's all about life journey. It's all about loving yourself and choosing yourself, you know, just to be happy. So just love yourself, pray, love God, pray for yourself more than you pray for others, you know. But don't stop loving yourself, don't give up on yourself. If today you want to go and apply for your studies, go and apply. If you want to achieve other things like driver's license, like learner, see, one understand that if you want to go and book for a test driving, go. If you want to go and do a book for a spa massage, go. If you want to try other new things, if you can afford, go, guys. Don't stop that on because of you want to make other people proud. Yay, guys, stop putting other people first. Put yourself first. If you have kids, put yourself first and your kids, because of those kids, they're going to suffer. If you're not happy, they're not going to be happy. If you're happy, they'll be happy. Bang understand? So ka ona manso ao ke re bjale batho ba ka ke a le rata ka lerato la love. If you're a student, don't forget to study. And if you're if you're still in high school or secondary, because I read level like about YouTube, go and study, and good luck for your exams, because now it's time for the exams. And if you are working, you want to go and study, do that. But do that. Put yourself first, love yourself. Okay, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Ke le rata ka lerato la love. Bye.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my body, my body.